So just another quick video to show our TER8 flush temperature transmitter. So this is our temperature transmitter that's very good for pipes or tanks where you cannot get any interfering objects into the tank or pipe. So if there's scrapers in the tank or agitators, for example, or pigging systems inside pipework where you can't have any intrusions, then we've got this flush temperature transmitter. It has a peak sensing face, so insulated to ambient temperature. We have a lot of adapters for it as well, like this tri-clamp adapter here. So if we screw it in, you can see that would fit into a system, nice and flush, no intrusions. I'm just going to show on the video as well how it reacts to the temperature change, some ice water, some tepid room temperature water and some boiling water out of the kettle. So onto the test. As I say, we've got the TER8 temperature sensor. I'll put it in some ice water, some room temperature water and some boiling water. On the analog display we'll see a change in the value. Currently reading about 8 milliamps at room temperature. We'll give it a little bit of settling time in each of the fluids, 10 to 15 seconds. With this family of sensors we can achieve a tau 90 of around about 6.5 seconds. With this being front flush it's a little bit longer. But we'll see how it reacts. So as I say, if we give it around about 10 to 15 seconds to settle down, you can immediately see the temperature dropping on the display. So it's around about 6 milliamps. Still dropping, and that's around about a good settling time. If we then move it on to the room temperature water, should start to gradually go up again. There we go, we see that. Again, the difference is not too great between the two, so it's gradually going up. And as soon as we then put it into the boiling water, much bigger difference in temperature range, and you can see the response of the analog output is much faster. So there we go, that's our TER8 front flush temperature transmitter, just showing it in 3 different temperatures of water there. So just to conclude, this is our TER8 temperature transmitter, front flush design, great for use in tanks with agitators and stirrers, also in pipelines with pigging systems. So it's all nice and front flush. It's also hygienic, so it has the hygienic approvals, 3A for example. And this is our G1/2 inch hygienic process connection with peak sensing face. Very good for resistance to ambient influences as well. So that's our TER8 temperature transmitter.